Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming Python 3. 9 or newer is installed and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, install the requests and phone numbers packages. These give you HTTP access and phone parsing utilities. Now create a small script file and import phone numbers and requests. You do this because phone numbers normalizes formats and requests lets you call a geolocation API. Make sure to choose an API that returns approximate location data and record an API key now. Next, parse the mobile number with phone numbers. Parse and validate it so you only query legitimate formats. This prevents unnecessary API calls and errors. Once validated, format the number to E164 and construct a GET request that includes your API key and the formatted number as a parameter. Use requests. Get with a sensible timeout and handle HTTP status codes. If you receive JSON, parse latitude and longitude fields. This approach separates parsing from network logic and keeps error paths clear. Finally, inspect the API response and extract coordinates, accuracy, and carrier information. Then translate coordinates into a readable place using reverse geocoding if needed. Save results locally in CSV or JSON for later review. If the API lacks precise location, fall back to country or region data from phone numbers. One key troubleshooting tip: if queries fail, check for 429 rate limit responses and invalid API keys. Retry with exponential backoff and verify.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.